Do you feel a little overwhelmed for cooking dinner every day? I can be your friend who gives delicious, doable idea for home cooking. Hi, my name is Luna and I am a mother of 3 Korean-born living in Canada currently, and I just love to cook. I love good food and I love to share. So this is how I'm going to make my chicken Alfredo spaghetti. You can also use pasta if you don't have a spaghetti. I split my chicken breast into 2 pieces. I butterfly my chicken breast into 2, and I season heavily with salt and pepper and garlic powder and oregano. I didn't have a paprika, but I wish that I had. If you do, please add some. And I use electric griddle because I wanted to have my hands free while I do other stuff. But you can also definitely cook them in any griddle or even on barbecue, or even leftover chicken will be perfect for your recipe today. And I chopped up lots of garlic. I'm a garlic girl. I think I use 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. In 1 big pot, I am adding some salt into my boiling water. And on the other side, on my frying pan, I'm going to add some butter. I think that's about 1/4 cup of butter. And I'm going to fry my garlic in gentle heat. Make sure we don't burn our garlic because it becomes bitter. And make sure you're not overcooking your chicken as well. Have a look at that. This is going to happen very quickly if you are up to do this within 30 minutes, I promise you. And when your garlic is nicely sauteed and fried, I'm going to add heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream, and I added about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can definitely add it more. And I seasoned it with salt and pepper, mix, and I am now cooking spaghetti. You can definitely use whatever pasta you have on your hand, on your pantry. And I added some spinach because I did have some. And I just scoop out my noodle instead of draining entire thing and discarding the pasta water, because I like to have my pasta water on the side until I'm all done, because pasta water could be your best friend mixing your spaghetti pasta. Don't throw that baby there. And I'm just going to gently mix my spaghetti. I sliced my chicken nicely, and obviously, once again, if you do have leftover chicken, please just use that as well. I'm going to plate it now. We like to swirl the spaghetti nice and pretty, just like how I do it right here on the video. Add some spinach. Top it up with my chicken, just like that. And last and least, I like to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because it is just good just like that. And this is your chicken Alfredo spaghetti. If you liked it, please like this video and share and come back for more.